We were just debating the choice of modes on this. We talked about these are the range of modes that are available on the program, the WSJT 9.3 program. What Bill has been using is the FSK 441. We're uncertain whether it makes any difference, but one thing's for sure, FSK 441 mode definitely works, so that's the important thing. Oh, here's the one. Oh, caught one.
Beaut.
Live. Fantastic. Look at that.
Yeah.
There she goes. Just to prove there are sporadic meteors during the day. Well,
That's right.
hopefully during the Geminid shower.
3:15 at the moment now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And hopefully, if we're doing this at 3 AM in the morning on the 13th and 14th,
Yeah.
and so the 13th is actually that's the night of the Rossiston Astronomy Group's
Is it?
Christmas do. So I don't know whether you fancy after the do coming out to my house.
I might.
And we can have a bit of a go.
Yeah. Yeah.
A meteor observing session.
Yeah.
It's be around about 11 o'clock. It'll be too late for you.
No, I don't think so. I'll see how I feel, obviously. You know.
I mean, you're welcome to come along to the do if you want.
No. That's good of you.
It's a very light-hearted quiz.
Yeah.
Which Damien's done it, and he assures me that you don't need to know anything at all about astronomy to take part in this quiz.
I'll be in good company then.
Well, he's going to take it further. He says, actually, being an astronomer will give you no advantage whatsoever. Think Star Wars, don't think Comet Ison. Well, I think that's fantastic. We picked up a fair number of those.
Yeah.
It just goes to show that this program, WSJT, is a good alternative to Spectrum Lab for picking it up.
Yeah.
I can see why the guys at the BAA Radio Astronomy Group are keen on Spectrum Lab because it's such flexibility, but one of the biggest problems with it is its flexibility and its complexity when you turn it on. Whereas this one, you turn it on, you press a button and you sit back and enjoy, and really that's when you start.
Whether it would work on them other modes, I don't know, but I do know for meteor scatter, transmit and reception, FSK 441.
Yeah, well, I'll tell you what, there's another thing I like about this. I like the fact that it gives the two lines.
Yeah.
So in fact you get quite a lot of time's worth actually put on the screen in one go. Again,
when that's finished its 30 seconds, it puts it there. So.
I noticed there's some speed settings here, so can you actually slow it down?
You might be able to. I haven't played, Andrew, so I don't know.
Let's just have a look. If I press that button, what happens?
Oh, it stopped it, isn't it?
Well, I'm not sure it stopped it.
Well, it stopped the top one, it ain't moving. It's froze it, isn't it?
Oh, actually, that's gone in. That's like Spectrum Lab. It's done the same thing. It's now going into a. Let's do that up. So, in fact, pressing those buttons at the top on the speed buttons has put it into a waterfall chart.
Yeah, it does. Which
is very similar to Spectrum Lab.
Which I don't like. I prefer to see a trace like that.
But if we could get a meteor,
I know what happens.
True, but if we get a meteor happening here,
you'll
it'd be interesting to see what it looks like on this waterfall chart. And you can vary the speed of that waterfall chart. So in a very easy to modify fashion with those buttons. Again, when it comes to Spectrum Lab, it's all there, but you've got to pull screens up and try and work out what on earth they mean. And especially if you're trying to get somebody to start off with it. Spectrum Lab, without doubt, is a very, very powerful program. But it's also very handy to have something that you can just do a point and click thing, really.
I would say, it's, as I say, once again, knowing how good this is, having this